what I have here are professional clippers. They come in 2 different types of sizes for clippers for hair, beard, body hair, what have you, in a really, really nice case. These were sent for my review. These are the VGR Pro. And when you open it up like this, my only caveat here is that that case, kind of like the inside of the case, is plastic, so it can get damaged like this one is right now. But for everything that it comes with, I love the fact that it comes with a case. I'm actually super, super pleased. I love the handle on this, and I'm gonna get a little bit of a closer look so you can actually see the handle. Look at this. This is kind of like grippy too. Really, really pretty. Now, when you turn it on, you've got, I've got a 7,000 RPM, then I'm gonna go all the way to 8,000 RPM here. Battery is fully charged. Love the fact that there's a guard, yes. Love the fact that these, this is like high quality steel right there. It is a gorgeous device, but more importantly, obviously, it shaves really, really close. So obviously now I'm without a guard, and I'm gonna show you again. Without a guard, check this out. Like, look at this. That is sharp, zero pain, no nicks, no nothing. Love that about that. It's so close, super nice. So of course, you do have all these different kind of like adapters on it as well. It comes with everything, guys. This is actually nuts. Love that there are, so for this one here, you've got the plastic guards, and the guards will go different sizes, of course. These are extremely ideal, basically. This, for example, this 1 millimeter, ideal for your beard. So if you're doing your beard up or down, very, very cool. For body hair, extremely useful for that. For the bigger one that I have right here, look at this. This is what you would find in a professional hair salon or a hair or a barber. You've got that kind of clip that goes all the way out and back in to give you that little edge. But same thing, you turn it on. The really nice thing with this one here is that you do have, so I'll show it to you close up right there. Look at all that hair, all that hair here. So turn it on. I'm at 8,000 or 7,000, but this one here has a special button. Check this out. The special button goes to 9,000. And what that means basically is 9,000 RPM. So we're really going and chopping that hair and that beard really, really closely. So of course, this one here, as you can tell, is a little wider, so perfect for hair. So if you're styling hair, if you're cutting hair, definitely a must. And the other thing that I want to make sure that you notice is that the one for the hair, as you can see, has the metal bar here. So that metal plate is going to be a lot easier for you to not only notice what you're doing, what you're using, but super easy to flip out and back and put back on just with a nice little clip, and then you're good to go. They both come with their base. So the base comes with a USB-C cable that they do provide. Plug that USB-C cable in, and you're able to plug that in and charge it standing up, which is a nice thing. They look really nice, so I wouldn't even want to put them back in the case unless I'm traveling. If you're traveling, of course, bring the case with you. But yeah, definitely a really nice unit. Both units are really nice. They do provide different kind of cuts or kind of razor sharp cuts. But I would use both for either or, really. But for hair, definitely the bigger one. That makes the most sense. Definitely for body, hair right here. Whether you're doing armpits, chest, anything like that, anything precision, definitely use the smaller one. But yeah, they're really, really nice and powerful, which is the most important thing. Really cool.